first of all, I'm so sorry to hear you've been so miserable. Having a cold and a cough can be miserable, especially if it's affecting your ability to sleep and function during the day. The best thing for you to do would be to call your doctor, especially because the cough has been persistent for a week or more and it's been getting worse. They can ask you more specific questions about it, perform an exam, and then decide if further investigation or treatment is warranted for the symptoms you have. Best of luck to you. I hope that your next week isn't nearly as miserable and you start feeling better soon. If you have more questions for me in the future, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms and recommend us to your friends and family too.